Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change an Acura Mdx battery. Start by turning off the ignition and removing the key, then open the hood and locate the battery. Disconnect the negative terminal first, followed by the positive, and remove any covers or brackets. Clean the tray and terminals with a brush and baking soda solution, then position the new battery, tighten hold downs, and reconnect positive then negative terminals. Before you begin, wear eye protection and acid-resistant gloves and remove any metal jewelry. Make sure the area is well ventilated and free of open flames or sparks, and keep a baking soda solution handy for spills. Use insulated tools to reduce risk of accidental contact between terminals and have an assistant if the battery is heavy. Always follow proper disposal rules for the old battery at a recycling center. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more practical car tips. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, a smart cleaner that listens to voice control and handles dust so you can focus on maintenance. It's handy after a battery swap to remove debris from the work area, and it's a nice time saver. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Confirm the replacement battery meets OEM specs for size, terminal orientation, cold cranking amps, and reserve capacity before installing. Place the battery in the tray with terminals oriented correctly, secure the hold down so it cannot move, and tighten clamps to manufacturer torque if available. Reconnect the positive terminal first, then negative, and test vehicle electronics and engine start. Finally, check for warning lights and clean any spilled electrolyte with a baking soda solution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.